How to fix Microsoft Outlook app not working. So the issue might arise because your application is not up to date. In order to check it out, head over to your App Store. Here in the source bar, search for Microsoft Outlook. Head over to this app. Right here, if you see the option of update instead of open, your application is not up to date, and this might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, what you want to do is simply click on update and update your app. Once you have the latest version of the app, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Microsoft Outlook. Once you find it, head over to it. Now click on offload app and then once again click on offload app. It means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Microsoft Outlook app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.